it's Oliver from the Slime Lab, and today we're going to be doing an underrated slime shop review. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below. And don't forget that I will be attending Slime Bash. So without further ado, we will be reviewing 3 underrated slime shops. And without further ado, let's get on to the slime video. So the first shop that we have here is citrus._.slimes. And they sent over 2 slimes and some extras in a bubble mailer, and they wrote, "Please review" on the side of the bubble mailer. So of course I will be reviewing it. So the first slime that they sent over is called Orange Sherbet. It is an orange cloud slime, and it feels just like Slime Bun's cloud slimes. It looks exactly like orange sherbet in real life. I don't know why on camera it looks a little bit more like a pumpkin orange, but that's okay. It smells just like orange sherbet, the real thing, like the ice cream, and I definitely rate this a 10 out of 10. It is a perfect cloud slime. It's so drizzly, and it falls really nicely, and it's just so amazing. So this next one is called Seafoam. This is a blue buttery slime, and it has some gold and blue bijou beads in it. It smells just like vanilla and is very creamy and thick. It is also very bubbly, and like, this isn't really like a slime description, but it's kind of foamy. Like, it feels like it has foaming hand soap or something in it, like that. And it smells just like vanilla. The scent is so good. It's so accurate. It smells just like vanilla. And I definitely recommend this one. This is their best seller, apparently. And I love the texture that the beads give it. I've never seen a slime just like this before. It's so unique. And yeah. And I love their extras. They included 4 mango high chews, a pack of bijou beads, which is so generous, a pack of borax with a borax sticker on it, but it looks like it had like a water leak or something on it, and then a little cow eraser. Thank you guys so much for the mango high chews. I love high chews. And the bijou beads, I've always wanted to use bijou beads. Overall shop rating is a 9 out of 10. I loved their extras. Their slimes were so amazing, but the only thing I have to say is that there were no logo stickers on it. So they did leave a little note so I could figure out who they were, but I just recommend adding the logo stickers, especially if you're sending it to a P.O. box that accepts reviews, so you don't have to tell them what your account name is. But other than that, everything was so amazing. The slimes were beautiful and had great textures, and I definitely recommend checking them out, and I will link their Instagram down below. Next package is for Triple Slime, and we're going to start with Grape Fanta. This slime is a cloud slime, cloud cream. It is a little wet, but cloud slimes are hard to make, so I understand the struggle. It smells just like grapes and grape soda, and it is very thick and thwacky for a cloud slime. It does have amazing drizzles and is super thick. The one thing that I do have to say about this is it does leave a little bit of residue on my hands after playing with the slime. And there are some random orange foam beads in there, but that doesn't really matter. For less residue-y cloud slimes, definitely use Glue All for your cloud slimes. It works a lot better, I found out. But other than that, It is a very nice cloud slime, cloud cream, and it looks just like the color of grape Fanta, and it's super thick and flocky and very drizzly. The next one in the package was my favorite out of all of them. It was a butter slime, and it was super thick and flocky, and it was very creamy and spreadable. It smells just like peaches. It's peaches and cream butter slime. It's very smooth and spreadable and has a nice silky texture. This slime is very unique because it is a butter slime, but it also feels sort of like, maybe there's some instant snow in here. I doubt it, but it kind of feels like it does. It is very creamy butter slime, not something that you usually see. And it's super thick and thwacky. Usually butter slimes aren't thwacky, but I love it when they are because it lets you poke them, and I love poking slime. I rate this one a 10 out of 10. It is a super thick and spreadable and thwacky butter slime. It smells just like the name, peaches and cream, and is just not much more to say about it. It's so nice. This next one is Frosted Cupcake, and it has a thick texture. It is a little over-activated, but I can work with it. It looks like it has a bit of instant snow in it. It is pink, like pink Frosted Cupcakes, and is super thick and glossy, very thwacky, and it kind of smells like a fruity scent, but it is called pink Frosted Cupcake, but it kind of smells like a fruit cake, which works out. And it's super thick, thwacky, and yeah. I rate the slime a 8.5 out of 10 just because it is a little bit over-activated, and it has some beads that are not supposed to be in there, but I don't mind the beads. I just don't like when slimes are over-activated, but otherwise I love the slime, and I love the fruitcake scent. My overall rating on this package is a 9 out of 10, just because the pink Frosted Cupcake was a little bit over-activated, and there were no extras, but I do not mind that. Usually people include extras, but it's okay. But they did include a business card. I'm just covering this up because it does say their last names, and I'm not sure if they want me to show that, but I will read it to you. It says, Triple Slimes, a fantastic slime business. Aloe, Lila, and Kate. Triple Slimes 3 at gmail.com is where to contact them, and their Etsy shop is Triple Slime Shop, and their Instagram is triple_slimes 3. So I will link them down below. Go check out their shop and their Instagram. Next we have Randomly.SLIMES, and they sent over 3 6-ounce slimes. The first one is Honey Boba Tea. It is a boba slime, which is not a fairly new trend on Instagram. This slime is a brown, thick and glossy based slime. It has some black foam beads to represent the boba in the tea. It's unscented, scented like glue basically, and is very thick, very clicky, and very, very glossy. It is super thwacky too, and I definitely rate this one a 10 out of 10. This next one, I'm not sure of the name, but it is a super bubbly slime. It is orange and smells sort of like conditioner, but it is very thick, very glossy, and very thwacky. It has an overactivated texture, but it's not overactivated anymore. so that makes it thicker, sort of like, I don't know, like you overactivated the slime, then it melted. But I love the feeling of this. It is super thick. It smells like herbal essences, and it's super glossy too and very thwacky. It has great bubble pops. This next one is Sour Blue Raspberry Limeade, and this slime smells just like Sour Blue Raspberry Limeade. It has some blue and green foam beads, and I'm pretty sure the slime is inspired by the one and only Marissa Parakeet Slimes. It is super thick, super glossy, but it is jiggly too. I personally don't like jiggly slimes, but I will not take points off for it being jiggly because that's just my opinion. But it is super thick, glossy, and has great bubble pops and smells just like the real thing. I rate this shop a 9 out of 10 because they did not put their logo on the top, but that's okay. They did include some extras. They included some bubble gum and some styrofoam stuff, but I ate the bubble gum and I used the styrofoam for another slime. But go check out randomly.slimes on Instagram. Of course, I will link their shop down below, as well as their Instagram. So I definitely go recommend checking them out. And yeah. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to leave a like, a comment, and a subscribe down below. I will be attending Slime Bash 2 in October. Don't forget that. Tickets will be for sale down below if you would like to purchase them to come and meet me. I'm not sure if I will be selling it. I hope that I will be, but I'm not sure yet. And don't forget to subscribe again. And thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, hopefully you'll come back next time. I love you guys, and bye!